Hello everybody, Eric back here. This video is on this tomato plant here, and this may look grown up, but this is always leave the asters in the fall for all the pollinators and the monarch butterflies. But I had tomatoes planted here, and this is a tomato called Deppe's Pink Firefly, and I had some old seed from years and years ago, and I decided to grow a couple of plants this year to renew the seed and get some fresh seed saved. So I haven't eaten any of these this year. I've just got a couple of plants, but this is a variety from Kentucky, I believe, from the Deppe family. That's what the story says anyway. And it's potato leafed, kind of like a brandywine, or some of those other types of tomatoes. It makes a big pink beefsteak tomato, but the reason I like this one, and I'm gonna try to grow it more, is because unlike a brandywine, this one can take the heat of our summers. Brandywines, they will not set tomatoes for me in the summer. This one does, and I notice as I'm talking here, I've got a tomato hornworm there. But this tomato here, and you know, I know some of them, I'm saving them for seed, so I don't mind that they're kind of rotten here. But anyway, big tomatoes, and I haven't kept on top of picking these. But I don't know, the sun came out a little bit. I don't know if you can see, probably not. But the reason it's called a pink firefly is because there are specks of silver in this that glow in the sun, and it looks metallic sometimes. I call it a firefly because it does have the appearance of glowing. Here, let me get another one of these if I can. Down in here. Now that one's split. We've had a lot of rain last few days, but I don't know if you can see that, those specks glowing. But this one will set fruit in the heat of summer. I'm talking 90+ degrees, and here we are within a few weeks of our first frost, and it's, you know, still ripening up fruit. And this plant, it's pretty healthy. I see some more tomatoes down in there. Some more green ones. There's another one getting ripe, but I haven't taken as good a care of these as I should, because like I said, this is mainly for seed this year. I see some seeds there. This one split because of the rain. All right, well, this is a kind of I think a rare variety. I'm not sure where seeds might be available. That one there, I can really see the speckles. I don't know if it's showing up, but they're just a really pretty tomato. I'm trying to keep my seed stock fresh here. So anyway, thank you very much for watching the Deppe's Pink Firefly. They do have a good flavor. These are not the best specimens here, but go ahead and bite into that. See? Very sweet. Good balance of acid and sweetness. Great flavor. And they're pretty productive for a potato leaf. I see another one down in there I got to get the seeds out of. All right. Deppe's Pink Firefly. Thanks for watching.